Hello everyone, I brought you another easy and quick snack you can make at home. I made chin chin for my kids and I said I will share the recipe with you. I call this recipe chin chin fries. That's funny, right? Yeah, but that's what it looks like. Okay, stay back as we dive into the whole video. If this is your first time stopping by, I want to say thank you and a big hug to all my fans. Today we're making chin chin with very simple and common ingredients that you can easily find in your kitchen. So if you look at the first two slides, I had a kind of a note to show you everything that I did, because I might not I'm not too good in doing all these explanations and all that. So I made that for you to look at before the main video. So when you look at that, it's easy to know, and to at least it helps you to know what we do, like what you're gonna do, in every step, right? So the first step that I said about chin chin, or about this recipe, that you must accurately measure all the ingredients. And once that is done, the next thing is to mix all the dry ingredients together. And once that is done, you can gradually fold in the liquids. The measurement I wrote down is what I used, and it depends on the kind of flour you're using. So be careful how you add the water or milk. That's why it's good to add gradually, okay? Mixing is very important. Anytime you're mixing the dry ingredients, take time and mix them properly, so you don't have kind of lumps of the ingredients being separated from each other. It has to be mixed properly and thoroughly. So once you're done adding the liquids, do your kneading properly. Okay, do the kneading. It may take up to 5 to 10 minutes. It depends how fast you are. Time to roll and cut. Use your rolling board on your countertop, and then you now use your rolling stick. You can see how flat my own is. It's not that flat and it's not that thick. Okay, so make the pastry the same, the flat, the way my own is, and then cut into sticks. as if you're cutting fries. After cutting, use your palm to roll, or use it to roll it on the countertop to make a kind of a long stick. If you look at the video here, that will give you an idea of what I did. If you have a bunch to make and you have a fridge around, while you're rolling them, I advise you keep them in the fridge to help them, to keep it strong until it's time for you to fry it. Use a medium heat for the start, and then you can increase while you're frying, or you can decrease. If it's getting burnt, or if it's burning without being cooked, reduce the heat to low and also increase to medium. But if it's not cooking properly and you think you need to add some heat, go ahead and increase it a little bit. Chin chin is ready. I like it when it turns out this way. It's gold and nice. It's safe for your kids to pack them into their lunch pack. You can have them in your backpack, or you can have them in your bag for healthy snacking. If you want to see other videos that I've made, you can go to my channel and you can see other videos that I've made, healthy juice and healthy smoothies, and easy to make food, snacks and all that. We have tons of them. So I made one batch with chocolate powder. I'm going to show you that on my next video. So thank you for stopping by. Until we meet again, have a nice day.